me nyabotire let's clear it nipa no got was completely misunderstood it hypocrisy nya atwom na ewo mu ene no kredi eni ho the same lawyer me personalize but ya okay na me nkyerɛ the same lawyer now was your vacation okogina home one try the cross so all call Azerbaijan so all by UK as well go US one try we say the pakro ya on say nya atwoma wutu bobo baya na saba onye wom say wako file wuntumi say the pakro ya o so ye yamane nkogina home wako file wuntumi bail pending appeal unim say 19th na judge no court no ebetie sa emotion okay say the panel no bekwa ko move you attach me modi ono a file with him na no dey vacation 19th August na court aba amomai enti no dey obetumi aye wonya atwom na we ye ho no with the greatest respect to him ni aye ye njai of it hwe wontumi asem ni ba minim say OTB and someone nam ye nam fufuo ne omom ka kire ani baby e bi kura kan wo mframam ma omo sesa yewra wuntumi lawyer no appear kubi e de attach abae no go blame no MPP for the blame no say what na say am asem ye de botumi nsia e de asem awi so TB a
ba kokura ka kire me say ba kokura ka kire me say wantumi anya amana nkwohwe no yare be 3 times wa abruchi
thank you the strategy is say on be delay asem nekeke na mo bless na mo the fast track high court by na sabre na high court ni ho cinema corruption cases yendi nentem we do come fast track high court e dey by krompa embutu engu obi e den ko obi e no dey DJ link for ko check kwa no fast track high court na ma me ma another example sa wo ho ne say enti mama unim say criminal cases and kasan unim say yendi criminal cases ema enche enunti to nipa no wo your friend is saying emra no ne say yen procedure or criminal procedure mu no say nipa no yamani bail a say ye tu asem na sheda and say ye more than 30 days sa me emra ne kan practice direction e da honia it is a fan say ene ye tu wadubu ahin case a sheda bua emra no say and say more than 30 days and yet 30 days now it was only fall within vacation.
Manever I say ma PENDREAM TV there o see them yopo
best 48 hours in and sembia e dear him your media platform so a legal vacation clash between a Chief Justice Bafo Boni and Attorney General and lawyers were representing some clients. Yeah, one of the clients Edubuahin. Now the lawyer Nehu Abedi and Sansemenu Atachia will appear in court coming Monday for hearing on German wound to me the case is nippy. Within this legal vacation, name for Edubuahin dear or Tresse or no legal vacation. Name anything on to me copiemu enginamo emma Edubuahin. And no, and a lawyer Bernard Bediako, MP for Epotia, said this is hypocrisy. Now, see a case hypocrisy, a dear attaching a hypocrisy. Now, ye hold the judgment, and I say ye hold the cases, and I say yet in a cases so on a legal vacation, no, and yet as for was cited examples or exposing a NPP tactics, any offense, so no lawyer attaching the tactics or pese or delay a Edubuahin, ni case akodi ewo court no. Na lawyer Bernard Bediako amfano ho anche ne ye kra in the studios of OKFM. Me pese me kasa ebewa no kame ho na ye nkotie ekwan a lawyer Bernard Bediako esopa eye atachia ene afenso no wona o protest based on eye legal vacation.
PP senior mobile no. Over said the outcase and cophobia break as a case a car can MPP for Necasa. Nano crying MPP for Ninia. A Kumebi and a Ghana on
point of law.
Mebaho. Mebaho. You see, answer now beka law. As I see a cat or musuni or mubabi. Dishonesty ne doso. Dishonesty no. Anope ube buame. Pi no kakra. Dishonesty ne doso.
Say, omu no kure.
No kure no. And then aba. Yaka say court nampa. A tradition bia. A wo say ending of July bia. Superior courts no. A court vacation. Normal ba a year October. Now, it is not true say court to niaya too. First and foremost, court Ketwa district court, the circuit court. Omiya Juma afimuninia. I just a judge and could leave. It is Superior Court, High Court, and a Court of Appeal na Supreme Court. Omo neko vacation. But the no your vacation courts. Vacation courts no. Judges te who di asem. Na niya na meba section na okan ewo CI 47. Self vacation courts no mpo ayeka no. Ovakwame. Omo judge biya ye be file self vacation. Lawyer biya ni masibi. Lawyer biya ni. Inti I'm saying dishonesty no. And I was surprised that Ghana Bar Association for the omo be shisha saji. Lawyer biya ni say.
Omo say moko akwamba. Na moko akwamba nka judge.
Ye ko hia akwamba. Inti na make sure say district court na circuit court no omo de omo nko akwamba. Nye lawyer for neko. Omo de nko akwamba. Na inti asem no ka kusisa ase Ghana court ni ane kwa akwamba. It's not true. A superior court nepe. The reason here your fan say a superior court na because it is provided for in your friend is saying sir vacation is provided for in CI 47. It is not in the district court rules. It didn't even apply with district court. Na CI no crime about. Na niatia ne say vacation no judge bia ye be file vacation judge no. Obey motion fan say Kofori say your high court and 9. It is a vacation court baakwa. Or no obey motion for other court in India. And into your motion, they say no they di sa judge and accept. It won't mean to assume the intimation be the injunction application be be the AB execution application be and a bail application be not the aba obedi because and you know the diasem no really near or no judge na yafano no anko one court yafan vacation judge no we di ono anase. It is on one kasa to say a court 4 and then or your vacation judge I work with Ridia. Obey a court 1, court 2, court 3 cases and no because or no your substantive judge into your motion. No ria what be on one kasa case, for instance, and no war. Our SMB and no OD and so much vacation because what the vacation judge not OD not them ninety. That wasn't where the our SMB because I know and be any. Because ninety just say judge and if vacation ban starting AD normal cases na see ye be our court na or no so back na home. Council me to see ya na me fan say ensem bi a ewo na enye onu na edie no in respect to motions no me ade no e na obetimi aye but won timi try asem no say ewo David of Aquami and on American motion no in Pempi motion yes me say to see our high court 4 and the work of Ridia. Any a high court back judge back open a bay vacation judge. If you no pay so no your court 4 judge or no pay court 1, court 2, court 3 cases ni and you didn't have a banty and when you no na idea 17 what mean to us when you're quarter. But obey motion a woman injunction needs any man. But it no any court 4 cases are to know what trial or yet you could be there as some way I just a lawyer on penocre. The news out to Honasia because court 1, court 2, court 3 no court 1, court 2, court 3 and you're not a judge. But wabe vacation judge on of baby as a period no. It is court 3, court 1, court 2 hono or hono untimin di wa semankasa. Me for we example court 4 already obedi na se.
Lawyer me for we example. Bibi say untumi wa file motion before the court. Be pending appeal. me say attorney general no so a filing the affidavit in the opposition. And no obeti me hear that case no but want to be near some nankasa. There be because you say your court now of a quality you were different high courts who say your court minim vacation judge or was want to make case no so say your vacation judge nankasa. A court now would be want to me asem nankasa. And no say your vacation judge was our territory or no one. Stay want to me case be a whole bit me. But say a vacation judge or no another court cases who want to mean could you ask them into your home there motion pen or yes, okay. So what I say because I know the mama example say Kofodia will high court 1, 2, 3, 4 different judges. But vacation be no almost for one judge. But the Kofodia na example. It is one judge no better 4 courts linear anyama. It is obi you saw a vacation judge but or a high court 4 judge. Or no better high court 1, high court 2, high court 3 there. But then you know na di wa 17 no say a trial be or untimi ndi. Okay, a relieving judge. But we into nyomo yene say and lawyer be any one. Nyomo yene say only can share other courts no motion ni nia be miensa court a wo hwe so or you know be motion ya and na be trial wo so no atu ahye da because ntimi ndi. Owie ni nia na fi wa bon no ankasa no so court cases so and no the trial wo ntimi ndi because on the judge wo nti oni masem no. Enti question as the bisane say vacation judge ya you know say ono na nhwe saa mantem ho no anaso omo na nhwe saa court ahoro so no judge ya kana asem odi adubu ahe ne sky train ni ade asem omo ka ho ana omo nka ho omo ka ho na omo ka ho a ede ni e ka say esi omo kwan say ombeko so adi omo asem enye court foforo asem o omo asem no den disi kwan enu na omo akokoti eye embra no ewo your friend saying CI 47 abra kwa no di kan esre kaka because CI 47 obi akotu mra o se esre
meba na me se esre ma kire oni etia CI 47 no rules of court enye statute parliament pass and we are number 1. Number 2
ebajo enya parliament pass ye
David. Rules of court parliament enya parliament na CI the constitutional instrument CI enya so what I say enya statute parliament enya act of parliament. It is an act of parliament bi wo honom na ne boy bra act of parliament no e wo soro chain CI. Number 1, number 1. Number 2, CI 47 regulates procedure with regards to civil matters.
Oh, not criminal matters.
Criminal. CI 47 it doesn't regulate criminal matters. There is an act regulating criminal matters. Let's see. No client deal Ghana, and only a problem. CI 47. What is CI 47? Civil procedure rules.
Yes. Aye.
It then now confirm free ho. At the babeshamsi and apply in a criminal aid. Kokoti at 30 a regulating a trial. No. A criminal procedure act. No. A woman see a convocation. And there is a reason. Of a kwame and yenti wo entia apply no.
Because me were criminal and other offences act procedure 90 act 13 with amendments 633 and then
regulatory and criminal trial. Baby a wall say yes a convocation.
Cause it relates to procedure no. So how do you say be and come be court?
There be na act 13 no. There be of a act 13 no kind be where then kind ni heading.
Criminal and Other Offences Act Procedure 1960.
Procedure Act procedure name.
Procedure wom.
That's not 29. That's not 30.
30 I make a Criminal and Other Offences Procedure Act.
And there no any procedure.
Act 30 I procedure.
Any procedure. It ended up because I was there, and no, the young tontine, near Conco for another procedure in a civil matter. I will follow in common.
They follow pa.
And you know, be some lawyer for us, call to a procedure act now, a regulated, a criminal,
With its amendments. Amendments in here.
Amendment. No problem.
633 and 714.
Dinia won't be almost baby a cassette, a criminal in a criminal trial, your cop, your free vacation. Omontre. It is any civil procedure home common yedi. Say Obi Asase, na ye guso train home and so near Yenedia, na court vacation, with me to shedder. And that is why usually court in a civil matter no obetimia to ashe your friend is saying a baby I muwa kakra but activity no regulate a criminal procedure no and regulate a choir young fasonya criminal trial now kind article 19 a castle be charged in a criminal and says you do not within a reasonable time. There is a reason for this. For instance, of a crime in Koma AD, then Kakota ma edubuahi bill, and Uncle Demwa, and come back as and train October.
There be any zone to me October.
I didn't end the engine. Say a convocation.
Act 19 now, Kyea, 1902 Constitution was say, a head in a fair trial was a person charged with a criminal offense shall be given a fair hearing within a reasonable time by a court.
Yes. The reason is that won't mean far obia yin dina seven being convicted and to more and as someone answer elsewhere baby or one. I mean, sabi ya de charge pra to so a ya come work up. Thomas Partey court ben are convicted as well diboni.
Yan convicted pacho.
And so ye ko boy a ball. Mama ni enye pe and ye see ye ko Canada. Ye FIFA for ni ye see ye ko Canada. Ye star player, ye see a some dan so keke nti ye man ko Canada ni. Yanti okruma.
Oh yet say
Ora who some pro wom ni say asam na kasa kwanya Canada for na dia to no so. UK. But because of Commonwealth, omu work kaka ni nti no. Omu say no. Ye di asama to so UK. You could my mama. No be a convicted. It is some also keke kre nyasem ketwa. You could and your family matra. And inti sa a regulated criminal trial. You want to say no. Sa some also some with them any idea no. And young the papa. Inti no as I say if it do was seven tem. Nema no pray wom ye say we are convict to so we coffee you none. Na sounds so na say because I as a lawyer.
Counsel in a scenario whereby me accused no me lawyers represent me and say yeah legal vacation inti kabaya judge no we busumi mienu enchene aba inti jai me na judge no be kan say dem wuni lawyers yakope lawyers nyesa next time e beba no one e be mo cross examination e ba sa ya na emunya ya
hypocrisy nya atwom na ewo mu and then credi any ho the same lawyer me personalize but ya okay na me nchero the same lawyer now was your vacation okogina home one try the cross so all call Azerbaijan so all by UK as well go US one try
Azerbaijan there unya time ko cancel papa Azerbaijan wow
I don't for all the Bediako legal vacation. Now, near one way I say the Pacro ya on saying what to wobo buyer, Nasaba. Only one say, Wako filing wound to me, say the Pacro ya or see a young man in Kojina Humi. Wako filing wound to be bail pending appeal. Put him said 19th na judge a court no ABTA emotion. Okay, the Panama Bako move a year you attach me moody. Or no file with you, no, the vacation 19th August on that quarter.
I'm my
India no the obey me. I with the greatest respect to him. Nia yen jai Of a normal example be, and let's look at the politics of it. Yeah, wouldn't to me ask me by meaning so TV. And someone then num ye now for your mom catching. I need baby because I can't walk from him. And almost a son. Yebra wouldn't to me lawyer no appear could be a day attaching a bite. No blame no, and people before the blame is what can I say? I'm a some year the butcher means here at the assembly. So TV.
But what catch him say? Went to me and yam and now when we are here 3 times we are blue.
Thank you. The strategy is set on big delay as a naked. Otherwise, open be a some tools over what ways and no big assembly tools was see and do as someone. But press over sound in them. So the sound within them, some in your bonibia. Then and a lawyer for this no minimum. No interest in this on big delay as them. Why? A bribia, you say, Bediako, near walk out better. Say, but
lawyers and say, who tell you are catching more? One more to a semi crown, say, why an ambulance trial? And now a coban and a pinpoint a coba, and think out where you're 2 months, dear, and no crown 2 months more conference. It is no 2 months, Papa. It is almost a good among train a bar, somebody about tomorrow, sir, cotton bejanu, a young train, Nankanin, Chatney and Maraniafe, Yafamessiani. Second, when you gentlemen's arrangement.
There be maintain this of a maintain this say. As someone beside we say, and yet the same lawyer was even to me as them there, or baby.
Because they say some more day pan won't.
It would be there, and would you bring out the August 19th for Baby? You might see for Yachumne won't. Saloya Chronos, your Cogena Homer. And yet you are dead diet, and the 19th, and then you are dead diet. Or Baba court, I'll be moved, and also court, Nancy Casabra court to be Ayatumwa, and Gababa be moving motion okay. Gababa be moving motion okay FM studios. So we'll see. As I said, now, near Metacray and MSN, all be some because there be vacation court to the motion, motion bay. You are there, you are citing that example from the civil procedure rules, not the criminal procedure rules.
But you want precedents be said. Okay.
Thank you.
To say they're not okay. A court to be a not matter be on any man OD and a legal vacation you buy. A buy no yas assign and say only the some motion near the day. And now case no case any case I know OD in tea or they are twas AD. Now or they twas dear and no or fini pem Rebecca say may twas during illegal vacation and I say they have to be assigned to him by the Chief Justice.
And so we have civil procedure rules no crown puna or cana. Order na oh boy. Can order no near Jumebio. Is it 79 will say, Can I am in trouble? Primary rules book.
Yeah, maybe my father say, I would enter us.
One family, and I saw my catcher say, oh, yellow, and so you judge a precupe. Yes, I won't say. Of a quadrant, so I won't say, yeah, Jubana.
Say, may now crowd how may Wales acting in other how.
I was actually changing our man common night. No big umbrella. For clerks in a way.
I'm the baby here.
I'm the baby here. Because all kinds are on. Now you shot you now. Near Yana may come myself. Now, who beside who goes to our ocean, who beside said, KCB, I will hold my yay. Okay, a Kabiru, Mahama, KCB. Yeah, Dr. Kabiru, me and Madam Kabiru. Wale MP.
Wale MP, yeah.
Friend, the lawyer Samson Ladia, in Nebisan, said, Breben or in the cross examination. A man. Of a kwame, ya own, Nyatrum ne dorso. Nyatrum a dorso. Supreme Court, election 2012. Omudino 2013. Obudi Asam Nama, August 29th, a year legal vacation on the judgment by.
Wow,
yeah. And Yanokre, let's check it.
Okay.
We are 7 August 29th when the Supreme Court today the final verdict of election 2012 at the by August no na vacation. Enti dear nieka. Na dear pa bisawo mebawo. E dear pa me say district court ne sekiko attach answer the lawyer be enko within this vacation. Into our cases abrena and the clients here fanning too. District court is like you come vacation, or is it because it's a high court? And the high court now more can apply sell a Juada Albeco. A Juada also a vacation days in Abia.
Yeah, or move motion.
Oko move so vacation. Principle no. Who say won't come vacation and then your son okay out there?
As I am here.
And I also cover vacation there. Sabe uti ko kwa dinima. Say vacation was a court to. If you call to na yen then I would you to be called Juada. No go move motion, then a chance motion, no move ya. Motion, it doesn't matter. Open to me raise issue be a will call for a mini trial. It doesn't matter.
Okay.
It can yes, it doesn't matter. Judge no be to me be a motion no be a affidavit be a
because Attorney General no kra no in the case of Chamawun to me no ne affidavit in opposition no a woman deposit to it no one no say what show say won to me is a flight risk no the court will have to rule on.
Yeah, and the court no but you know the court can even conduct a trial within say young friend obi on the rule is that we have affidavit bia nti aye soe no ne aye commissioner for oaths one na e kire se you bet we afro wa begina da kam no adi mu adanse e say e fa ne keke
say yenya deponent to the affidavit
deponent me judge they say now first now high court then they went to court of appeal with the powers vested in me Chief Justice Mr. Norma McQuine now me go to court of appeal and tell me to Supreme Court and tell me Chief Justice Amaka what do you me da so enti ya kase sworn buyer and no trese ya commissioner for oath ni ade judge no betimi afrɛ wo bisa lawyer bi obeka che ya betimi afrɛ and I say the other side no ebetimi aba be kase ensem ba ko mienu bi a o troye no o pese ya bisa o mu asem ya fro abegina dake na no de enya tra and I see motion and so abegina my lord I move in terms of the motion prepared and supporting affidavit no to see within the hearing of the motion at the end of the day principle no necessary say we say o convocation to ni ho na then e juada de otimi back court e wo ntumi de no I'm with your experience and all your court of appeal judge. You who say delay no person delay at seven again. Who say plan on see a delay at seven. No. Meanwhile, more blessed about the fast track high court to buy and I said that high court to new. Corruption cases ending in them. We need to look at them fast track high court at the buy. Kromha embutu engu obi eden ko obi e no de DJ link for ko check kwa no fast track high court na mama ma another example enti mama Kabiru case no mu di no legal vacation mama Supreme Court de no nso omu di no vacation mu akosi August 29th and omu de judgment by but mama ma another example ya na ebi oho no a wan hwe yie pe na ekwa akwa etisase all personalize no but e was ye adwuma
asam na abanti ni de example na etefo tuati
okay ti me ba me nchiro hwe ne ekoso okrom ha ye maame Justice Efiasewa I think in the
Efiasewa
Botwe in the case I think yes ato force in case no nim say omkoje warrant no mu bi asem no ewo your friend is vacation eti at the last or the be ukokan ne ukakona koji proceedings ni ni anakan or say by court although a warrant has been obtained for the case to be continued during the vacation on August 1st and 2nd. Mr. Sorry indicates that he would need altogether 12 hours to conclude his cross-examination in view of the additional documents just filed by the prosecution. In the circumstances, we shall continue on 1st and 2nd August 2023 at 11 a.m. till 2 p.m. each day, and then 13th and 20th October 2023. Case completion plan prepared. Signed, Efia Sewa Saributri, Justice of the High Court. Proceedings in Kona Kwajanakai. 1st and 2nd August, I know any your friends a vacation.
Vacation, yeah.
So, Sabreno. I mean, Tiasa Sabreno, Ghana Association, I make a hono. In your press conference, on the release statement. Sabreno, this lawyer be Uncle Biena, no, you're sorry. You're far na friend. Na could this a natural. You're sorry to see a dear Macatro. Stay, young mammy, Justice of the Court of Appeal now. A two force in case, doctor. When the assem first, second, and I think, 1st and 2nd August 2023.
Okay.
Proceedings, Macacho. It's your father, baby, Roma. Just idea, pan, yes, some monty, your cost with the assembly, and no, and no, court on the say, you dear some no other fan say, a vacation, court to now coach was in one. But let me also say that, say, at no point in our jurisprudence, any lawyer for the determined Brian Yasser. Say, Judge, no more courtesy. Say, oh, okay, also too kind to my main fan share what's now. Then say Yamra. I've gone to court on several occasions at Judge, Akasa made time we need Opa Bra Opema. Because Judge, I know lawyer not judging on you on a timetable, or when you proceed, or when you be, and so. Oh, sorry, now, Casa, that's not the case, Isha. Woo, assembly also now, a suspect, and as accused, in this case, an accused, who has all back court, baby, one, and you have a right to choose your own lawyer. It is attaching, I say, Onia Dajia. Yeah, just a corner from. Because, assembly, the other day, now, you didn't swap. Once soon as you're interested, say you will do what will be our GD.
Be bar, and no, so you need time to study in a case in a record of proceedings.
You're wound to me. A brother, say, ye didn't sem none, lawyer for the lawyer, no cast on the assembly, will be away there somewhere we are catching. Of a family, uncle for Yan Yamaku. Yen on the assembly, you were free mono. Of a lawyer for judge and a man, acquires a memo 2 weeks in Tincona or Boabua, Hobra. And to say, you read the for say. Or better lawyer for fra. Court no country court to say, may pay lawyer for front in my brain, continent man. For being no in a hurry to do anything. But so because I say, maybe I need to judge not to government channel. You see, brought no pay. Now, him say, ne, or your vacation judge here would be asking. Would him say, in October, no, you know, papa or no subeko.
Ah, okay, Mama, I know the court.
Or no subeko, says or Jenna home. Leave no the essence and then the so called Jenna home. If you also go leave, son of vacation, lawyer for ATM offer. And we do say now, your friend is in the MPP. Our friend, practitioners are on your political, on the catch us away in your news. A CWA, if you also go vacation, now in near or usually on vacations, and it your mark with Brunia. Brunia and Sony January, no. January, so you say another vacation, who is a lawyer, Biobeka. January vacation, usually we come back later in January. Late January. Enti judge no ko na senke bi obeba January obeba late in January. Na say ye asem no e beto ho akwa February. Na me bi say senka ne client no demu ni amani bail enko beka ne organ. Ofa kwame se client na ye dubu ahen senko demu ni amani bail enti nka ye wura attach enko beka ne organ.
And ye gebe asem
Ampene, Obakasi Yendi Nasemontem. Yes, and you have the fofo. Mama examples, Mrs. Supreme Court, 29th October I guess no my judgment. Kabiru, Mr. Fresh Samson Ladi, Nebisan, Kabiru case, no Wale case, or do you know your friends of vacation? And what's our example of a 2 forcing case, no? It's here, Ratachia, at the MPP for me so exceptional. It has different rules of court. The rules of court, the rules of court pertaining to civil cases. Procedure rules, any act of parliament, a rule regulating civil procedure, civil cases.
No, yeah, now one of them, yes, sir, a constitutional instrument, and one of them,
Oh, no, sir, rules of court. Of course, rules of court, the rules of court committee, a judicial council.
Okay.
But also, what a better hope for a number of days, 21 days or so, then not amateur, not about a different constitutional instrument. It's but an act of parliament. Rebecca say, act of parliament say, ABI executive now say, in some cases, private members' bill, now through process, near debating, near easy. Because in this case, parliament, they can say, a better one is just for the maturity. Parliament, any power be as well into the because a rules of court committee, a regulatory court, in your parliament, a better say, or that one, and in free, not that nine emission there. But what's the difference now? Eti enye emra properly so called that parliament na yes ye be film di bia shame ye emra no we ye rules of court committee what judicial council na and om dey aba but maturity no because emra nti no maturity no takes a while. I think 21 certain days or something na ba be emra eti really different crap. But I'm saying that even that one no brampo no uko kind for na me say nka mo mfa omra ne mra na nka hwe. Okay, 4 now, subsection 4 now. Or say, even with the civil procedure, no crime, or say, speaker, your friend is saying, Chief Justice will to me say, even during the vacation, or be free, and also be my warrant, not judge, be a court and asset with the asset.
Oh, see, any day,
we are making, and yet absolute. Almost our rules book name of a
whatever is here, whatever.
Or the brower me person kind sa na make na for ya ba ko kra bi o sa wo hono say unim say criminal cases ankasa unim say yendi criminal cases ema enche enunti to nipa no wo your friend is saying emra no ne say yen procedure or criminal procedure mu no say nipa no yamani bail say you two asem na sheda and say you more than 30 days. Sam ye mra ne kind of practice direction e da honia. It is a fan say ene you two we do one case a sheda bua emra no say and say you more than 30 days. And that 30 days now it will surely fall within vacation. And the criminal trials they are completely different from civil. But civil there obetumi to ashe bribia but criminal there say nipa no that the seller and say more than 2 weeks. And say more than 2 weeks. It is asem no mo Kenya no any basis.
Obi send me say
any basis. Either way no and we see a back said no so before answer vacation akwa wie.
Obi send me say in a first wabotris case no proceedings no what you say both parties no agree say one more case no one bet me a cross examination no our first and second August no that is why I want to join to that na say
on kind baby kono maminti on kind baby kono makai by court enya no kre by court mpacho tie ni bio by court although a warrant has been obtained warrant na you sorry na
because now mo person tell you sorry finish the cross examination intia
within vacation no nyaza
ai
na we no then e kan wase
a special arrangement too
back then a special arrangement nyaza no so special arrangement
ai
na we dey special and we dey nkanu because of the MPP the Supreme Court determines that there. The Supreme Court determined that Ben say election petition must be disposed of quickly. I'm not talking about 2020 election petition. I'm talking about 2013. In 2013, no judgment na ba ye no true wom say if it's a brain econ, esese ye emra e be ma ye determine quickly because when you take 8 months.
About counseling.
No, nyabotre me ba. Let's clear it. Nipa no got was completely misunderstood it. And yeah, after 2013, 2012, 2013 election petition, you know. Emra say if you na kono, say Supreme Court for in that judgment, you know, I say henceforth in the election petition term because a check. But before already, there is no denying fact to say it traveled for 8 months within vacation. Within vacation. It's a fact. Me say rule of court to be any one me say on camera can prohibit a judge from sitting on a case, a criminal case. Mom go to civil procedure, go to criminal procedure. There is a procedure act for criminal trials.
Mr. Say 2 months the Senka extinguish the rights of the accused. You think a train cross?
No. If I have a problem, no matter on say. Judge, we know I am vacation judge. Into say ya October na got to Niabe, but also vacation, also leave. Is the procedure. It is a 2 months. One kind of sarcasms. 2 months because judge we know also on your machine. In October, also leave. Usually no in December. January is another vacation. Just lawyer be any.
Everybody say. Who to me the say honorable attachment is coming to move a motion
on Monday.
It say after motion BB wo mu maybe the court will have to rule on that. Anamebo.
Yes. Niti of a say yan criminal procedure no. Say obi wo ye di asem a ye ma ye ageni asem more than 30 days. This lawyer bia. Yen criminal procedure no. Yen ageni asem that is the rule. That is the practice direction. That is the guidelines of the judges. Say and two asem said that for more than 30 days if the person is on bail. And some are making I'm saying for lawyer bia bisa. And as a nipa no da sella yen ageni asem no and for more than 2 weeks. Is the rule until and now do I hear or whether a vacation or your vacation yeah journey asem no more than 30 days. That principle now what criminal jurisprudence any civil until you also quote idea what civil and for yeah criminal proceedings me say in all that no for kwame me say hwe on the civil procedure no cramp abrewa me say hwe 4 no subsection 4 no nakan after Osaka. And I know the word and I wedge our firm. Wedge our civil procedure rules rule of fair one.
Me ko break gra me am akofuma de aba.
Oba kwame. Bibia you asem omo kanya me say omo ni mo adwen say you attach a specialist in delaying cases. Who to me case and no more pamo a yewra a appear could be and then good to me cases ground or say you're crying so much Jeff in them. So much Jeff in them the amount yewra attaching because of him so no specialists so be delay cases. It are no ye. But you see, we have a responsibility to the state. What about the son? A brass oko and a brass oko. Bediako konta ese se ho pre wo so Bediako konta na kire o
counsel mami musa cases bit say rape cases be say murder any other day no I don't know ya na munni no legal break no
yendi one as yendi legal break me say of akwame me say criminal case bia no. The practice direction is that, and say you two share that more than 30 days. It will judge be our agenda. Fan say on the last hearing, 31st July. Now say we two share that. we a high court now say who to ashada and so who to share more than 30 days from 31st July, which is 30th August. Whether vacation or no vacation, that matter must be heard again. I'm telling you the rules of court and the practice direction. There are more judges so and again, I'm saying that Obika say yendi rape and I say whatever. It's not true. Apart from that particular rule of court, I mentioned in the civil procedure rules, and normal boachero. Me mama examples, mama cases. Me wa mama say in a criminal procedure act 30 bibia nimsa. Masanso ma cases ye di vacation mu. Obi catcher say force in case in lawyers na agree. It's not true. Me say who we are for phone after you sorry. No can you see angel. I have read to you the proceedings. Jama ameno me sometimes unity or say TNA or say by court. Although a warrant has been obtained for the case to be continued during the vacation on August 1 and 2, Mr. Sorry indicates that he would need altogether 12 hours to conclude his cross-examination in view of the additional documents just filed by the prosecution. In the circumstances, we shall continue on 1st and 2nd August 2023 at 11 a.m. till 2 p.m. each day, and then 13th and 20th of October 2023. Case
where you want record of proceedings in them?
Please go on a you are to force in case.
Okay.
Also, I'm a record of proceedings.
Dedi kama amena PENDREAM TV ase. Na so far so good. Say open online portal e wo Ghana. Nipa share, nipa follow, nipa comment here. To my best of knowledge, without any biases, PENDREAM TV.